Hello everyone, welcome back. If this is your first time here, you're highly welcome. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a very powerful Ayurvedic hair growth oil using just a few natural ingredients you can easily find. This oil is very effective, 100% natural and perfect for hair growth, thickness and scalp health. If you have been struggling with hair breakage, hair fall, slow growth or even dandruff, then this video is definitely for you. Before we go further, please click the subscribe button, like this video and share it with someone that needs this. Trust me, your hair will thank you later. In this video, I am going to show you the ingredients and their benefits, the exact preparation method, the safest way to extract nutrients, how to use it properly for results, and what to expect after using it consistently. So make sure you watch to the end. Let's get into the ingredients. We are using just 3 powerful natural ingredients and of course your carrier oil. Those ingredients may look simple, but when combined correctly, they become a hair growth powerhouse. Let's start with our first ingredient, which is fenugreek seed. Fenugreek is one of the most powerful natural remedies for hair growth. It contains protein, iron, and special compounds that help repair damaged hair. Fenugreek strengthens your hair from the root, reduce hair shedding, helps grow thicker and fuller hair, adds shine and softness. If you have a weak hair, this ingredient alone can transform your hair over time. You do not need too much of it. A small quantity is enough because it's very potent. Our next ingredient is rosemary. Rosemary is very popular right now and for a good reason. It helps stimulate hair follicles, improve blood circulation to the scalp, reduce dandruff, calm scalp irritation. It's like a natural alternative to expensive hair growth treatments. If your scalp is itchy or dry, rosemary will help balance it. And our last ingredient is clove. Cloves are small but very powerful. They help boost hair growth, reduce hair thinning, improve scalp health, and fighting bacteria and dandruff. Cloves also improve blood circulation, which means your hair follicles receive more nutrients, and when your scalp is healthy, your hair grows better. Now you need a carrier oil. You can use coconut oil, olive oil, almond oil. Choose what works best for your hair. Carrier oil helps extract nutrients from the ingredients, moisturize your hair, make application easily. So I will be using olive oil. Olive oil is not just for cooking, it's actually very powerful for hair care. First of all, olive oil is rich in vitamins, especially vitamin E, which helps to nourish hair and support healthy growth. Before we move to preparation, tell me in the comments what is your biggest hair problem right now? Is it hair fall, bald edges or slow growth? I read all comments, so let's talk there, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Now let's prepare the oil. Add 2 teaspoons of vinegar into a heat-safe bowl. Add 2 teaspoons of rosemary, 1 teaspoon of clove. Now add your carrier oil into the ingredients. Measure is enough to cover the ingredients. Do not cook this oil directly on fire. Instead, get a pot of water, place it on the stove. Put your bowl inside the water. This is called the double boiling method. Why? It prevents burning, it protects nutrients, it ensures slow and safe extraction. Let it heat for about 10 to 15 minutes. After heating, turn off the heat. Let it cool down slowly. Do not rush this process. Once it's fully cooled, use a sieve or cloth to strain the oil into a clean container. Now your oil is ready. Because this oil contains no water, you don't need preservative. Just store in a dry container, keep away from water. It can last for a long time if stored properly. How to apply? Apply directly to your scalp. Massage gently for 5 to 10 minutes. Leave it on for a few hours or overnight. Use it 2 to 3 times a week. Consistency is key. With consistent use, you will start to notice reduced hair fall, softer hair, healthier scalp, visible growth over time. Remember, natural remedies take time, but they work. If you want me to share more powerful DIY recipe like this, type more in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more natural hair care tips. And don't forget to tell me in the comment when you try it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.